Hello everyone, my name is Nisha Jain. I am the Faculty of Computer Science in S.S. Jain Subodh PG Mahila Mahavidyalaya. Today we discuss about the components of computer network. Basically, these are the connectors which help the devices to connect each other. These components are used according the requirements. We will discuss all of them one by one. Now, our first connector is NIC. NIC is a network interface card. It is a device that helps the computer to communicate with another device. NIC interface card contains the hardware address because the second layer of OSI model, that is data link layer, use this address to identify the system on the network so that it transfer the data to the correct destination. There are two types of NIC. First is wired NIC and the second is wireless NIC. Wired NIC cables use the NIC to transfer the data over the medium. Wireless NIC. All the modern laptops use the wireless NIC. In wireless NIC, a connection is made using the antenna that employs the radio wave technology. Next device is hub. Hub is a central device that split the network connection into multiple devices. In hub, if any device want to send data to other device, firstly it transfer to hub and hub distribute all the data to all the connected computers. That is the main purpose of hub. Next device is switch. Switch is a network device that group all the devices over the network to transfer the data another device. In switch, when the computer 1 transfer to data computer 2, first the data is transferred to switch and switch send this data to the specific destination. So we can say it can send message directly from source to destination. Now, what is the difference between hub and switch? The basic difference are hub is work on first layer of OSI model, that is physical layer, and switch work on the second layer of OSI model, that is data link layer. The second difference is it is non-intelligent device that send message to all the ports. We already discuss about it. When you are using hub, the sender send the data to hub and hub distribute all the connected devices. But in the switches, it is an intelligent network because when the sender send the data to the switch, it is send the data to a specific destination. That is the basic difference between hub and switch. Now the next difference is hub and switch. Hub support broadcast. Broadcast means when the sender send the data to hub, hub send these data to all the connected devices. Here switch support unicast, multicast, broadcast. When the sender send data to switch, it supports to the specific destination, that is called unicast. Similarly, when sender send data to switch and switch send these data to two or more destination, this is called unicast. And broadcast means when the sender send data to switch and switch send these data to all connected devices, that is called broadcast. The second difference is transmission mode in hub is half duplex. Half duplex means at the same time only one computer send data. Suppose this is computer 1 and this is computer 2. When computer 1 send data, at this time computer 2 does not allow to send data. Similarly, when computer 2 send data, at this time computer 1 cannot allow to send data, that is half duplex. Transmission mode in switch is full duplex. Full duplex means at the same time both computers are allowed to send data. It uses 4 ports and it uses 24 ports. That is the difference between hub and switches.